Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to part 2 of filling out our mind map. Remember, we're using our organization skills to do some research when we read the book. To review, we filled out our name on our mind map, what we were writing about, ladybugs, and we talked about what they are and what they can do. We said that ladybugs are insects. We found out that they are a type of small beetle, that they can be found all around the world. When they are born, they hatch from eggs. They can fly with 2 large wings, and they are important in nature. Today, we're going to be filling out what they have and other facts about ladybugs. Now, if you notice, there are different colors in the information that we already have. Those colors are important because they're going to be linked to the other facts that we find. This will help us organize our writing when it's time to write. Let's begin reading. Today, the purpose of our reading is to look for what ladybugs have and other facts about ladybugs. Ladybugs. Again, here's a table of contents. The table of contents tell us where each piece of information can be found about ladybugs. Meet the ladybug. Ladybugs are insects. They are a type of small beetle. Ladybugs can be found all around the world. All around the world, ladybugs live anywhere they can find food. Let's go back to our mind map. We know that ladybugs can live anywhere they can find food, but we know they can find food, so we're going to put that information in other facts. Let's keep reading. Ladybugs are born when they hatch from eggs. When they hatch from eggs, ladybugs look like tiny alligators. So we know that ladybugs are born when they hatch from eggs. Another fun fact is that they look like tiny alligators when they are born. Let's keep reading. Ladybugs have colorful bodies that are covered with spots. The spots are different for each kind of ladybug. We just read that ladybugs have colorful bodies and each body have different spots to show what kind of ladybug it is. Ladybugs make a smell when they get scared. When they get scared, this smell keeps other animals away. We just read that ladybugs can make a smell when they get scared, and it keeps other animals away. Notice that I did not use complete sentences to fill out my mind map. I'm just keeping notes on this, so when I'm ready to write about ladybugs, I can organize my information. Ladybugs can fly with their 2 large wings. They flap their 2 large wings 85 times every second. So we just read that ladybugs have wings that can flap 85 times per second. Under the can section, we see that they fly with 2 large wings. So they can fly with 2 large wings, and they have 2 large wings that flap 85 times per second. Ladybugs spend the winter in large groups. In large groups, ladybugs sleep until spring. Let's go back to our mind map. We just read that ladybugs sleep in the winter in groups, and they sleep until spring. Ladybugs eat small insects. Eating small insects gives ladybugs everything they need to be healthy. Ladybugs are important in nature. In nature, ladybugs eat insects that feed on plants. So, We just read how ladybugs are important in nature. In other facts, I'm going to write why. They are important in nature because they eat small insects that feed on plants. When we are writing, we want to make sure that we keep those two pieces of information together. Now we're finished reading our book. Here are some ladybug facts. The end. So boys and girls, looking back at our mind map where we organized our information from doing some research from the book we just read, we're going to use this later on to write a little informational writing piece about ladybugs. Tune in next time when we start writing about ladybugs.